We are learning hot reload versus hot restart in Flutter. So let's start. Hot reload. Hot reload inject updated code into a running application, allowing you to see changes almost instantly without restarting the application. Okay. So the useful for making UI adjustment, debugging and testing changes in the widget tree or minor logic changes using hot reload. So keeps the app's current state, for example from inputs, page navigations, interact with, which means you don't want to lose your current session or any unsaved data. The hot reload is very fast, typically taking less than a second. Doesn't apply to certain types of changes like global variables initialization in main or changes in a state class properties. In these cases you will need a hot restart. So the hot restart is rebuild the application from scratch, clearing all current state and rerun the main. It's similar to restarting the application, okay, completely. Needed when you have made changes that a hot reload can't handle, like modifying global variables, changes app level configuration, or when the app state need a reset. Clear the entire app state, meaning any unsaved data or session information is lost. Slower than hot restart, but rebuild the app, but still much faster than full app restart from scratch. Okay, so here is the difference between hot reload and hot restart. So updated code in the running application, okay, and the rebuild the app from scratch using hot restart. Keep current state intact and clear all state start from main. UI adjustment, minor logic changes using hot reload, and app level changes, global variable updates using hot restart. So the speed is very fast for using hot reload, but the slower than hot reload, faster than fully restart is hot restart. So here is the example of this. So here is the hot okay, here is the hot reload and here is the hot restart. Okay, so here we are changes the value of text font size. Okay, so uh, hot reload, so the changes is apply. Okay, and here is the changes is apply, but the value is not changed using hot reload. So for that we are using hot restart. Okay, so restart the application. So see the changes, here value is 0, restart the application. Okay, so here is the difference between hot reload and hot restart. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions and queries, so please comment me on comment section.